around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love.
Look on that coffee table, you see the tripod. Pass it. Good night, good evening, hello, how are you, everybody? Walk one. Let's. So, back to Jamaica business again. Mommy's trying to pack. Somebody that goes to Jamaica so often. This is her. This is her. And she's buying all this stuff to take down, but now she not no space to put all of it, so now she have to take it out of the box. So let's watch Mommy pack and see what she's bringing. I don't even know about to put down. So she bought a new faucet for her kitchen sink. You know, she's trying to be all fancy and dancy. The one that I didn't fit that should be true. And now, I'm gonna put this inside so now tape when you tape you know rip up. And now, so Jai, say hi Jai. You know that one, the viral video with you, I wanna like one of my highest rap thingy video.
What?
One of the highest rap video when you sit down on top of the back. So, trying to put it away, wrap it up. Oh wait, see that little kitchen scissors with the there, so I like that. Hey, shit. Watch out.
This light.
I don't about the lightness, Mommy. It's about the space taking out.
Yes.
It's not about the lightness, but the space that I take up.
I did shower that in anything.
This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen sink.
The kitchen sink here. The shower that.
I mean, did you order two kitchen sink?
No. Shower.
You mean for the basin?
Yes, for the basin.
Oh,
For the basin.
because I'm like, that is not a shower. I'm not stupid.
That's for the basin. The shower. Thank you.
Okay, so misinformation, guys. Misinformation. Did I say welcome back to the channel? As you saw, yes, the previous video, you know, we say we're going to Jamaica. Say we're going to Jamaica, so now I'm trying to help Mommy pack her stuff, get it out of the way. Listen, 2 weeks left, you know?
Enough left paper.
Alright, so that one done. Now this is... Me did say me I go buy stereo. Oh, this is... So that was the bathroom sink faucet. And then now this is the kitchen sink. I'll show y'all in Jamaica. I'll show y'all on the video in Jamaica. Amazon in the jar, you know, there you can buy it too. Now your next bar.
I must buy it.
Down there?
Then,
Probably there, down
me
there.
did buy one night, so me don't get no good in a jar. And that's why me have to buy a brand new one, Ricky buy for much money and you know good. Yeah, me one of them are good.
What is that? Grandma sitting there. Grandma sitting to show over there where we draw suitcase. Yeah, alright, it's all time. But we think that's safe. You're saying you won't tape. Yeah, alright, now it's protected. I already saw one there. See there, look. Instead of putting it in the back, in the box. Put it like this. Now we need to make noodles. I already saw one now. Where? More box there so than this here. Watch it, see this lock here. See the parts here. Watch it. I see the key here. I see the direction. Yeah.
You know what that me give? Me not give one.
I want you give me. See there, the lock.
Me not
Yeah,
give one.
lock. Look here. Straighten it up and now we can tape it back together. Watch it. It's that one. Look at the difference. This, I think I'm zoomed in from when I was at the thing this today. Look at the difference. This, so you know, open so I didn't know ready.
And this here.
Not easy, you know. I love the book. But look at the difference in size. Look. How much space being saved. That's the one of the lock. I just want to open. If you understand anything about export, import.
When you buy for the same one.
That one
Same
is
one, I'm not sure.
not sure.
You have to see you want it. You got a hole on this. One, maybe you put a hole on this. No, like this.
Everything in the bag for the lock. Fix the lock. Put the direction, even though I already put one direction away. Instruction, direction. Yeah, remember I said, show you some of the stuff we bring to Jamaica. If you, like I was saying before, if you know anything about import, export, tariffs and taxes, yeah, you know, they be talking about tariffs a lot. When you import stuff like this into Jamaica, if they double the price, because of course you have to cover their basis. So that's why you buy stuff and bring with you that you can. So you don't have to pay all the extra money. Food already gonna cost $1 million, $100 million. Okay, there we go, noodle. I already have some cook. Where you get food from?
Rice and the chicken, the meat.
The spaghetti meat? Oh, this lunch you can't working about it?
I didn't take lunch.
That's one more thing. One more done.
I'm watching the TV.
No.
I mean, they are watching news. Because me need less on that.
It's at the shower head. It's at the shower head a little.
Me not say little.
But technically this is a regular shower head. I should we get used to the big shower head.
Definitely.
Boy, this is the regular shower head size. It's just because here we have big old shower heads. So hold on, so one bag here. Wait, it's a one bag. We're about to do the same thing. Unpack everything. So this is the shower head. This is the, how you don't need this a piece here? This can't, oh yes, this can't change. I forget that it can't change. And then the fittings, you know, all the fittings. Don't leave out nothing. Come with everything, man.
I know this.
How did that end up in your
Looking-
luggage?
I mean,
Mosquito.
Oh, all this piece they come with it too? They said, oh, one upstairs need to change. Ours like this need to change.
Why not?
They got to tape it all together one gun. But as long as them a small parts get together, that's all that matters. See, everything in a one bag. Look at that. Look at the size box again. Look there. Look on this a big old box here. And look now. Now it has this part. So everything in here is for the shower. The shower head, the what do they call it? Sprout, water spout, water pipe.
this can't turn in here.
Yeah, look at that is there, man. Why don't you put that in your carry-on or in your handbag and not in the but you don't even need the box. I will take it out of the box, put it in my handbag for the take it out of my beer.
Oh, that.
The Amazon stick.
You can't tell Leland by one of the 13,000 dollars. What this is? From the Jamaica.
What is that?
Amazon
The Amazon stick.
Oh, because yeah, what could you have a thing for the TV? Okay, this one ready now too. All good to go. Oh, this one now.
I think that's all. Then, here, and I said the main lock. The front door lock.
That's what
Like
it is.
that?
Yeah, this is this.
Mm-hmm.
Then a two front door, you have only one lock you buy.
I did buy one, put on for the other one already for when they go down.
Oh, and,
And
this is
Ricky did
another
that,
lock,
Ricky
as you
left.
can see from the thing.
They have next one to put.
And no particulars. And they need extra bags, because all of them put in their own bag.
We don't have enough space.
Two different pieces, you know? It's like the lock here. So
Mm-hmm. Top and bottom.
Then that you can look at it.
I try to take everything out of there and put it in there. So.
The rain's back now, Navi. Everything is good.
Still like racing.
And that's it. And when you tape up all the stuff, that helps to protect it too. If it was something that was breakable, you tape all of it up like this, it helps to shatter. Help tap if I'm broke. You know what this is? This is part of my stuff. But you know what this is? Yeah, I got Jamaica. This is like literally one of the best ones I've found. The mosquito repellent.
What it's about the...
I think it's gonna have to.
Just put it in your handbag. If anything, you can take it out of the box and put it in your handbag. Or put it in your carry-on. I wouldn't put that, you know, but what if they offer you to check your carry-on for free? I can't check my carry-on because obviously my
You know, say,
stuff gonna be
two times we go down and they check in the carry-on for free. Two times we go down and they check on the carry-on for free.
And take it when time you up at the when time you up if you go in at the plane then tell you.
No, then take it from downstairs when they put on the suitcase.
grandma the other day, grandma then it sponsor something if you want grandma want to check in carry on for free. I can't do mine because I am.
Carry on.
They take it downstairs from...
She's still. But now she end up with more space again. So we are gonna time most it put nine.
No, me have see the something with Lakaya give me a Gary, a Dante I give me for Gary, so.
No, I read one with weed or anything. How much did I say if we have 22 by one?
I mean the size? It's like something like that. Carrying can be bigger than that. You gonna throw some of my soap over there, sir?
We have 22 for.
We must United. Well, United, United really don't weigh carry-ons. It's just that if it's too big and bulky, then it won't fit. They usually don't weigh carry-on.
And they have one something with
It's
it.
not like them other airlines and stuff, but you just have to be a certain size.
Yeah.
So when I soap drop out of your foot, Navi. Nyla, when I soap grandma soap out of your foot. And this is her packing. And all the boxes she took out of
Yeah,
hold up.
Yeah, let me get Gary clothes on. I'm going to listen for 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm not listen for 10 minutes. Let me carry down see. If I put it in here already.
You know how to leave it in the box?
Huh?
Oh, you should have left it in the bag. I have to put in a Ziploc bag and put it in a Ziploc bag.
The ginger tea, John.
Yeah, I was going to say.
This not can take no this?
Yeah. Because, yeah, let's just say another separate. Since you had the space now anyways. No, you don't have to.
What? This acting rich one.
It was him. A few of them there give away them.
No, for me, them for that say by me. Two of them. Two different colors.
What part am I supposed to ask you about?
Like what are options? There's more on the back.
You should freaking know.
This is
What are corresponding angles?
they're on the opposite of the transversal, and one is in interior exterior.
You go for the dollar for ear loop.
They're
Same side.
Yeah.
You want by one of them up.
What
The big
angles
map.
are opposite sides of transversal?
Say the little one.
That's a big map of Dollar Tree.
Alternative interior.
No, there are values on your guy.
I mean, that's a good map of Jamaica.
Oh.
Better than this year. The map of Jamaica better than this year anyways. You need to care map of Jamaica, let's a better map.
Exterior.
The cat don't want
One-
the cat don't want big
The
one.
interior is inside and the exterior is
The
outside.
cat don't want big one, you know, and that we can tell
What
me
are
carry.
same side interior angles?
I mean, I can understand for the first day because basically when you touch down, you have to start clean as soon as you touch down. And it's like literally Christmas Eve, so they understand bringing down some things to do that. Yeah, but you still have to go brush up and sit.
Then I must hang up curtain and sitting and then they hang up
Same
curtain.
side.
Yes.
Curtain and hang up now nothing. Then they sitting and hang up there.
Same side exterior angle.
You know what that is?
They're outside.
Okay.
Outside side.
Or Christmas door sitting.
Okay.
I know you're only dividing grams or like without the.
We don't get no down, you know. The creep.
Oh, look, my jar. Look, what's in the diagram with the bag full.
How fast we smell.
The thing in the light.
I'm gonna multiply without the other positive number. I'm going to multiply without the positive number.
Yeah, this one, this one.
Divide the other. Now it's usually the most.
Thicker.
Say what? Stick it on a snicker, huh?
I haven't eaten.
Okay, I'm ready. Stuff like that. I told her that I'll get an 8.
Well, the muscle's not going to reflect on the scale.
It's a charge. Or the batteries need to be replaced.
Yeah, mom, if you're done with them, zip them up and stand them up.
Oh, I'm not doing it. I said close up again.
Then you can zip it back up when the clothes pull it back down and zip it back up when the clothes come.
You still a record?
Yeah.
Let me not do that.
She says she's finished. Oh, still on the tripod. She says she's finished. There she go.
What about these?
What's that? The mommy minute you can put the kettle in and carry on. How the
You talk about box, I can't remember the kettle.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and
So Nikki,
subscribe.
you have to wrap the kettle good, take you out of the box.
Don't take it out of the box. Make it that's if it's not in the box. So whatever you have to carry on, you take it out.
So I was on this table.
Look, a girl, no brought me something.
Well, I'm sorry, I'm playing play. Oh, I need to clean my hat. I need to wash my hat.
I didn't get
Do
it.
the phosphorus and put it.
I need to get a hat for Terrence with the heat. He about to be redder than red.
I was thinking about getting like a little country cowgirl hat. Because, you know, I'll be on the beach with it. But I cannot because I didn't like any of them.
It's nothing. I'm not opening this. It's this. I'm not gonna open this. You need to put it in the middle.
Look at my hat. I gotta clean it.
What are the kids about your hat?
I have to clean my hat. And I need to buy another, like, 2 hats.
Ja, in my house, we didn't jacket and hat type of thing. I like saying in your cold. In your cold.
Yeah, but I'm pick out and
Exactly. Mind your business.
No, go fit me.
We'll put in a suitcase. We alright. Just put stuff around him.
Whose beads are these?
mine.
I'm going to take out again and put back in again.
Back to my colors.
You wearing green?
Yellow and black.
Huh? What?
It's not good. It's in the back.
Green, yellow, and black. That's her hairstyle. She
I'm
represented.
so glad I'm not traveling the same place as you.
And we don't care. She represented her island.
So I have my hair up, you're gonna see the
So-
side and the back of my head.
So I'm going to take you out and put you back in a blue suitcase.
You're not gonna fit in the car unless you leave the thingy. But I mean, it's still in the box and everything's still protected, so I think it'll be fine in the suitcase.
When are you getting your hair done?
This Sunday. Before we leave. Well, she might start on Saturday before she finish school, and then we're gonna finish it this Sunday.
I just need to finish my hair. What you say?
Okay.
It's not lighting up as light as I want it to.
Don't worry, the sun will go light and it beach it out. Cannot wait for that.
The sun or her hair?
The sun. So my hair can be at
Anyways, we're done. She's done. She's almost done. She had to take everything out to put the kettle
She
in.
said her car might go on Friday. 'Cause they don't.
Yeah, I think it's best to bring the car and make the car go to Obi on Friday. Because if anything, I could always take Daddy's car or Tara's car.
I don't know if you got her with.
Look, she had to rearrange everything.
You wanna-
I mean, but I don't know, why don't you just close up, just pack one suitcase, close up one suitcase and done.
That never do.
I should go pack.
Because all you gotta do is keep moving stuff around, moving stuff around.
Yeah,
I'll just pack my suitcase the Monday before I leave.
Oh my god.
So I think your friend will come over.
Yeah, to pick the outfits. It's not to pack the suitcase.
And I choose the another.
Yeah, she gonna pack it Monday. Daily Tuesday, man. She said she pack Monday. No, Miss Terrence's suitcase basically done. I just maybe buy 2 more outfits. I go put in a head.
And she bought me like 40 more outfits.
And Terrence says,
And she's talking about you have too many clothes already.
She doesn't like my clothes that I have in my suitcase. She's such a hater.
Is she wearing one?
I mean, you can return this sports bra. My whole side of my boobs is out.
I like that. Let me get it.
It's not gonna fit. It's too tight on me.
Did I ever cared?
I'm not wearing it now. I have another one.
Oh.
it's upstairs in the room.
Yeah, I never cared. I'm trying to find you like a little sweatsuit, right?
I'm trying to save my money.
For me, her.
Yeah, I need an outfit still. And I'm wearing my white Converse.
Like,
You better wear some jeans.
I'm not wearing no. I'm not getting one.
yeah, what she look like. You know, I'm gonna have my little sweatsuit.
I need to wash. It's the same ones I'm wearing. I need to wash them.
This is the second time I'm seeing them this week.
No,
Yeah, you
I wore them
them
last
Sunday.
week.
Saturday,
I didn't even work Saturday.
Friday.
Let me show the whole world.
Yeah, go over now.
What's going back?
Were you here all day?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
She just came here.
Oh. She be leaving so quick.
Well, delivery was outside here.
It's mine. Skincare? Better had delivered it.
Oh wow, and they actually put it on the thing. They didn't even throw it on the floor.
Because if it was raining and they left my package outside, I would have complained.
One box.
It's mine.
Oh, inside me find me put on for the tub there.
You can sit up.
I already picked it up and then I already started upstairs.
Alright, we could stop recording. That was 20.
Thanks for watching the video.
Wait.
Do it again.
Thanks for watching the video. Please
Like, subscribe,
and share.
And comment.
And comment. We appreciate you all. Thank you.
Beautiful work, Grandma.
What she said.